iOS 18 now gives us the option to put our app icons anywhere on the home screen. We can now ditch the grid and position our icons anywhere on the home screen. And I know that this is a feature that some of you have been waiting on for years. Android users have had the option to put the app icons anywhere on the home screen for a long time, but now the feature is finally available on iOS. So in order to do this, you will have to make sure that you're running iOS 18 or newer. This is a new feature that Apple introduced with iOS 18, so if you're running iOS 17 or an older version of iOS, then you will have to update your iOS software to 18 in order for this to work for you. I've already done that, so all I have to do is to long hold anywhere on the home screen until the app icons start shaking. When they do start shaking, you'll want to select an icon and then put it anywhere on your home screen. It can be at the top, the bottom, the left, the right side, or you can put it at the center of your screen. It really doesn't matter. Once you position your app icons on the screen, just click on the Done option at the top right corner of the screen, and that's it. Your changes will be saved, and your icons will be wherever you put them on the home screen. iOS 18 is a great little update, so go and check out my iOS 18 playlist from the description of this video if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.